Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious teriyaki jerk pork tenderloin. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using pork tenderloin. It's already been washed. Here I have some jerk seasoning, green seasoning. If you don't want to use the green seasoning or you don't have it, you can omit. I have some teriyaki marinade, garlic and onion powder, pork rub, and some black pepper. Basically what I did was added all the ingredients to a storage bag and mix well to combine. Once that was done, I added the pork tenderloin to the marinade. Make sure that they were well coated. I closed the bag, placed it into the fridge overnight to marinate. Now, if you don't want to let this sit overnight, you can do about 6 to 8 hours, but you have to let it marinate properly to get the best results. Next, I went ahead and prepared a baking tray with wire rack and placed the pork on top of the wire rack. Then I added a glaze over top using some teriyaki sauce and jerk seasoning. Now while I was preparing this glaze to go over the top, it dawned on me, you know what, I want them to have the exact flavors and taste that I get, so I will show them the teriyaki sauce that I use. So this is a sauce that I actually used for the marinade yesterday. I mixed the two half and half, and today I only use the glaze, which is the thicker one, with the jerk seasoning. So these are the only two that I use today to go over the top. And yeah, you want to just baste the pork really well on both sides. Once you're done basting one side, flip it over, baste the other side, and then we'll place this in a 425-degree oven for about, let's say, 40-45 minutes or so. I roast it on high heat. And you know, some people would like to cook this medium and all that stuff. For me, I like my pork to be cooked really well done. So I cooked mine for about, let's say, 45 minutes, and this is how it was looking. I allowed it to rest for about 15 minutes before slicing it up, and it was so amazing, guys. I basted it last time after I was done slicing it up with the teriyaki sauce, and it was chef's kiss. I served it with some rice and peas, some baby bok choy, and fried ripe plantains. Like I said, give the recipe a try. You will not regret it. Those flavors were so potent in there, and it went all the way through the meat. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the ingredients and measurements in the caption or in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.